So what was the last session? Let's see. Yeah, normal statements. So these are all the methods. We are going to use the methods. All of you make recording by your end. We'll start the session now. So method means the task which we are performing on the application is called method. So title is there. What is the method you need to use means activate. In script line, activate. So in general, we are clicking on it. In the same way, text field is there, drop down list is there, radio button is there, check boxes there. So these are all the methods which you are going to use it. Now every object contains two types. One is parent object and another one is child object. So title is the parent object and remaining all objects are child in application. Now there is a method one. If you want to perform the task on parent object, so method is parent object name dot method and syntax is this. Okay, this is the method and syntax is this. So to write the script you required yeah, hi Iram. Yeah, hi Iram.
Hi Vidya, good morning.
Yeah. So you can record it. Record the session. Yeah, we'll start the session now. Now there are two methods are there. If you want to perform the task on parent object name dot method. If you want to perform the task on child object, first to take the permission from parent, then come to child. Like a school example we used. One school example here. School is QTP means in QTP if you want to. Is everyone facing the problem? No, right?
No.
Vidya.
No, okay. Fine. So let's see how to write it. So this is the parent and this is the child. Without recording how to write the VB script manually. First thing to write the script, you should know two object names. For this first we should have object information like object related logical name. One is logical name. And object related real object name. To write the VB script manually, these two informations are required. See, logical name, real object name of parent. Logical name, real object name of child. So what is logical, what is real? Let's discuss now. This is your application. Example, I want to activate. I need to click on login. Go to tools, object spy. Object spy is one handy feature provided by QTP. It is used to get the one object related all properties and values then and there itself immediately. So example, I want to know login information. Click on hand icon, click on title, login. Forget about these properties and values. Here. Iram, can you hear me now?
Yes, Vidya.
Is there any problem in your system, dear?
No. No,
Yeah,
I can hear you now.
Okay, that's fine. So maybe you can't record it. You can ask in other students. They will provide the recording file to you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah. Fine. So object spy is a handy feature provided by QTP. So click on hand icon. On click on title, you will get a object information. In this, see, you can see dialog login. This login and this login are same. Dialog login, this login and this login will be the same. Here, dialog is the logical name, login is the real object name. Dialog is the logical name and login is the real object name. So here, if you want to activate the script, that is a parent object. Login is the parent. So logical name is what? Dialog. Open bracket, double quotes. Real object name is what? Login. Double quotes close, close the open bracket, dot. Method. It is a title. Title, what you are going to do? For title, we are clicking on it and method is activate. So method is activate. That's it. This is called VB script writing manually. Everything is given by QTP. Very smart work you have to follow. Very simple smart work. It is not a something else. Everything is given by QTP only. See the next hierarchy. I need to enter something in agent name. So agent name is a child object. Login is the parent object. To reach child object, you need to take the permission from parent. As the example, if you want to reach to child, take the permission from parent, then come to child. So see hierarchy. Click on agent name. Now dialog login is the parent object. WinEdit agent name. Earlier when you're clicking on only login, there is no hierarchy. Why? Because dialog login itself parent. So there is no hierarchy. Now if you reach the agent name, here it says parent is dialog login. In that WinEdit agent name is the child. For agent name, this agent name both are same again. So agent name colon, see agent name colon. So agent name is a real object. WinEdit is a logical name. WinEdit is a logical name. Agent name is the real object name. So here logical name, real object name of parent means dialog login. See dialog open bracket login. Double quotes close, close the open bracket. For this line. And logical name, real object name of child. Dot WinEdit open bracket. Agent name and method. Now it is a text field. Don't concentrate on title now. You're working on child. You need to perform the task on child. Child is WinEdit agent name. Agent name is a text field. So for text field, set. Dot set. Input data you have to enter. Set Vidya, like username you have to enter. That's it. Only these points you need to remember. You need to get it. No need to remember also. You have to use it if you know. That is more than enough. See, now here I am writing. First I am clicking on title. Dialog login. I closed it. And here I am typing. Dialog open bracket double quotes login. Because it is title, activate. Now I need to enter something in agent name. Go to tools, object spy. Hand icon, click on agent name. WinEdit agent name. Dialog login, WinEdit agent name. So dialog login dot WinEdit agent name dot set. Here you can write your name also, like Archana. Again go to tools, object spy. Click on password. So dialog login is the parent object. WinEdit password is the child object. Here anyone tell me how to write it? Iram, is it clear?
I think so, Vidya. I think so. I mean, once somebody else explains it one more time, I'm sure I missed something at the very start.
You didn't miss it anything, dear. Here,
No.
yesterday's class, we learned method means the task which you are performing. These are all methods. Yesterday only I returned. If it is title, activate is a method. It is a text field, set is a method. If it is a drop down list, select is a method. Like this we return. So to write the VB script manually, two methods you need to follow. So if you want to perform the task on parent object name dot method. So syntax is this. So method 2 is if you want to perform the task on child object. So first to parent object name, take the permission, then child object name, then method. Are you there yesterday?
Perfect. Got it.
Fine. So with the help of these two methods only we have written. Okay,
Okay, perfect.
simple. Fine. Now for password, see dialog. Okay.
Dialog login.
Yeah.
Dialog login dot WinEdit
Good.
password
Open bracket password and
dot
double colon is also has to give.
dot set Mercury.
Good. Now follow the next step, dear. I need to click on OK button. Tell me how to write it. So I'm clicking on OK button. This is the hierarchy.
Can I
Now
take a
tell me.
chance?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So,
First,
is it the same way that the last one happened?
but concentrate on Skype, object spy. Object spy, what is the messages are given? This information you have to use it. But
Got
same,
it.
methods are same.
Got
Okay.
it.
Now tell
So,
me.
okay, so it's dialog and login, WinEdit.
Why WinEdit? Tell me.
No, it wouldn't be WinEdit. It would be, how to write okay then? It would be just okay.
Win button. It's a win button.
Oh.
Here, win button. Okay.
Okay.
If WinEdit means for this edit box, WinEdit password. Now it is a button. See,
So it would
win
be
button.
just
Okay.
okay. Okay.
Not just okay. Win button. Okay. Here you need to see.
Oh, I got
Win
it now.
button. Okay.
Got it now. Thank you,
So,
Vidya.
yeah, no problem, dear. Win button here, okay. Double quotes, okay. Exact, okay. So, and it is a button. And here, for button, what method you have to give? Let's see. So, yeah, buttons. So, clicking on it.
Yeah.
Method is click. Method is click. So, here dot click. That's it. Like this, you are writing VB script manually. Got it?
Got it. Thank you.
Fine. If I hit the run button, will it works? I written VB script manually. Now you tell me, will it works?
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes, it's work.
It will works?
Yes.
No, Vidya.
No. It should.
Iram said it should, and even Prerna, you are also saying it will work, right?
Yeah.
I opened object repository. Did you find out any information here?
No. No.
If information is not there, how come it will work? Tell me.
Okay.
See. Object repository concept, you need to remember.
Yeah.
So what Satish and Subha said, it's correct. It won't work. It says there is no information in the object repository. Then what I have to do? You have to add the objects manually here. Then only it will works. Go to object, add objects to local. This concept already you learned.
Yeah.
Click OK. All object type. Click OK. That's it. Now let's see. I'm asking QDP to work with slowly because line by line I want to see. You can insert wait statement step by step. Whatever you return manually, it will execute. See. So this is called writing VB script manually. All the time you are not going to write. Okay, in some cases only. QTP may face some problematic situations. On that time only you are going to write. So what is that situations? In coming class you will learn. Not now. In coming class you are going to learn. So this is called writing VB script manual. Is that clear, all of you? Some lightweight programmatic statements we are using. In that, one of the statement is conditional. So one of the lightweight programmatic statement is conditional. In the conditional, that too one statement we are using, that is called if else statement. If else is one lightweight programmatic statement is used to it is one statement. It is evaluate the condition is true or false. Let's see. If else, it is an inbuilt statement. In QTP, all the programmatic statements are inbuilt. So it is used to evaluate the condition is true or false. Condition is true or false depends on result. If some statement we are writing, else, and if. This is a syntax. In this statement, we are using one message box for result. It is used to display the result. Syntax is MSG box and pass or fail. So let's see. Example, you will get one task. Verify login application. Where this task is going to use it in coming class, linear framework, you are going to learn. Here just concept you learn. This concept is used in framework. So verify login application existency. In the desktop or in your system, login application existency. So for this you are saying if space. If you click if and space, automatically syntax will be displayed. If dialog login dot exists. Dialog login is the parent object, that application is exist. If it is exists, then message box you are saying application is opened and its pass. If it is not there, message box application is not opened and it's fail. Just for your idea purpose I am writing. And same thing here, there is no information. So it is also VB script only. It won't add it. So you need to add. Now application is opened here. Hit the run button. See, it says application is opened and it's passed. Click OK. Until and unless you are not clicking on OK button of that pop-up, it won't come the result. So that too result window, just simply it says login exists, object exists, not clear information. Just a dialog login existence it will gives. Object is exists it says. If you are not opening the application, hit the run button. Let's see what happening. It is trying to identify the application which is not open, and else part will execute. See, application is not opened and it's fail. Until and unless you click on OK or close, it won't move here. It is under run stage only. I don't want in this way. Before that, see, click OK, and here also it won't give the correct information. Go to view, expand all. Login existence object does not exist, it says. I don't want in this type of message. I want my user defined message here. We can also handle the result window. In this location only, instead of going for message box, we can use one more inbuilt statement. So that is called reporter.report event. So by using this, we can create our own result window. We can give our own view information in result window. We can create our own test log in result window. Syntax. Reporter.report event dot status not dot, comma, double quote, step name, again comma, double quotes, description. So this is the syntax. This is a syntax. You can write it. And here, yeah, you can write it. Let's see. Instead of message box, you are saying reporter dot report event space mic pass. Mic pass means Microsoft pass, comma, step name. Verify the login application. And your description is application is opened successfully. You can write in detail information like this. Else part. Same. Reporter.report event space mic fail, Microsoft fail. Verify the login application. Application is failed to open. See, now you no need to see, once you hit the run button, earlier if it is a message box, user action is must, but here no need of user action. See, application is not opened, it is trying to identify the application and it will come out of the execution process. See, automatically it is coming out of the execution process. And simply it says failed. Go to view, expand all. See, I verified the login application. Application is failed to open. Result is failed. If it is there, first case will execute. See. And you no need to click on pop-up message. Already, automatically it will come out of the execution process. See here. So this is called your own result window with the conditional statement. This concept in coming class in framework we are using. First we are verifying the application. If it is there, then scenarios we are performing. Enhancements we are doing. Not now, in coming class. Is this concept is clear?
Yes, Vidya.
Fine. Now looping statement. It is also one lightweight programmatic statement.
Vidya, if then else is also looping statement, right?
No, if else is not looping statement. Conditional.
Conditional.
Condition true or false is there, na? That is conditional. If else.
Okay.
So looping is for next.
For command. Okay.
Yeah. For next is the looping statement, which is used to run a block of data for specific number of times. That too while executional time. While executional time, for specific number of times it will be used. So dynamically while executional time you can use. So in this we can enter the values dynamically while executional time. For specific number of. So it is also one inbuilt. See. First step here. Recently we learned parameterization concept. What is parameterization concept? You should not forget this concept, very important. So passing the multiple sets of data to test the major functionality. So multiple sets of data you are placing in where? In data table. From data table it will be passed the values into the script lines. But what I'm saying here is I don't want to maintain any data table dynamically. 4 times I need to enter the values. Username 4, password 4, I need to enter. So that way I don't want to maintain the data in anywhere. Main point. Dynamically I want to enter. Is it possible, miss? Yes, it is possible. Let's see. So with the help of for next statement we can use. And in for next statement here one more inbuilt method we are using. In this method called input box we are using. It is used to captures the input data from user and place it into application. Syntax is you need to declare one variable, any variable. I'm declaring a equals to input box. It is asking the message like enter age and name. One more input box. It will ask enter password. On that time you need to pass the values. That too dynamically while executional time this input box will be useful. Okay, let's see. 4 times I need to enter. First record, activate, username is Vidya, password is Mercury, clicking on OK button. Close the application, stop recording. So here I don't want to pass the values. Data is in my mind. So I need to pass from my mind dynamically. That too 4 times. For this, for next statement is going to use it. Here for space, automatically next will be displaced. You are declaring one variable called I equals to 1 to 4 times. How many times? 4 times. From 1 to 4 times. Next is at the end. Here you are declaring one variable called A, input box, enter age and name. Password. So I want to open the application automatically. Systemutil.run. Right clicks, properties, control V. So here you need to call that A here. Whatever data you are entering in this location, it will be called here. And here B. That's it. Now hit the run button. See. First input box, enter age and name. I have entered Iram. Password is Mercury. Click OK. So again one more option. Teja, Mercury. See. Satish, Mercury. Like how many times you are entering, those many times it will be generated. Divya, Mercury. Dynamically, this is the dynamically executional time you can enter the data. So in manual testing, you know about the reliability. Continuously for long period of time, you need to enter the data and test the application. So this is the case. In this way, you are going to enter. So this is called one of the lightweight programmatic statements. So when which statement is going to use it, that when you will get a task on that time, you are in the task itself, they will provide you. So and so task you need to perform on the module. You will get a scenarios dear. In that scenarios you are going to perform it. Okay. Just 2 minutes dear. Yeah. So
Yeah,
this
for
is
for in the for statement I equals 1 to 4, right? So
yes.
are you declaring this I here, or
Yeah, memory
this
location.
itself
I
is
is Yeah, I is one memory location where 4 sets of data dynamically you are entering. Na? This 1 to 4 values memory location I am creating.
okay? So the declaration happens here itself, right? It is not
Yeah.
like C program like I equals 0, I plus
No, no,
plus.
no, no, no,
It's not like
no, not a C program.
that, right?
Here
Okay,
itself we are declaring. 4 times
okay,
I said. Okay,
okay, okay.
fine. So this is called looping statement.
Okay.
Very rarely we are using, not in-depth. In-depth
Okay.
programs we are not at all using. So now next. So with this, some lightweight programmatic statement is done. Now one special programmatic statement I'm going to use, that is called descriptive programming. Descriptive programming. Till now we learned VB script. So it's a object repository oriented programming. VB script is a what? It's a object repository oriented programming. Why I said it's a object repository oriented programming? Anyone in the class?
We
Without
need to,
object
yeah,
repository,
without that,
it is not possible to run the script.
Good. So without having any information in the object repository, it won't work. Means without having any information. Which information? Any object information
Yeah.
into. So without having any information in object repository, VB script will not work. VB script will not work. And you know the syntax here. Syntax is logical name, open bracket, just now we did. Real object dot method for parent. For child, this is real object of parent. For parent, this. In short, I am writing. For child, logical name, real object name of parent. And again logical name, real object name of child here. Dot method. This is the VB script oriented. Now keep on, I need to remember, I have to add the information into the object repository. Otherwise it won't work. And it is a memory oriented scripting. So in this memory location will be there. Memory we need to maintain. To avoid all those things, here without having any object repository information also you can write the script, and that script name is descriptive programming. So object information, what is descriptive programming means here? Object information we mentioned within the scripts is called descriptive programming, or entering or providing object information like properties and values within the script lines. Is called descriptive programming. So here also two methods you are using. Method 1, to perform the task on parent object. Parent object name dot method. and syntax. See, syntax is before going to method, for object to write the descriptive programming, we required object information as below. What is that information, miss? Object related logical name, real object name, property, value, method. One object related this much of information you required. Logical name, real object name, property, value, method. Example, if your object is login, for this login, this information you need to collect. Login is a title and method is it is activate. So login. Now I'm taking the new one. Let's see. Collection of the properties and values I'm telling you. So this is called collection of properties and values. Collection of object information. See, go to tools, object spy. Hand icon, click on title. Dialog login. For this login, real object is login, logical name is dialog. So here for login, logical name is what? Dialog. Real object name itself login. Three information you got it. Logical name, real object name, active method. Remaining two, what it is. See. Dialog is the logical name, login is the real object name. Take this login and search it into the values. Where this login is available, search it. Scroll down and search it. Scroll down and keep on search. Here I got it. Login word. So value is also login. For this property is what? reg, exp, wnd title. Means something lengthy word called regular expression window title is given. I'm not getting it. Search it. Is there any easy property name is given? Take this login first. See, very easy method I'm explaining you. No one will guide you in this way, to be frank. They will say you will get a properties and property list of properties and values. You have to collect that. You have to write it. If it is not sufficient, again you need to ask to developer. They will give the properties and values. You need to collect and you need to add it. Keep on. They used to give in this message only. This is very easy method I'm telling you. Take this login and search it. Is there any easy word you find and find here means yes. Text is a property. Value is a login. So go back. Property is what? Text. Value is what? Login. That's it. This is the properties and values for one object. You need to collect in this way. Now let's see. Parent object name dot method. Syntax is logical name, open bracket, double quotes, property, colon equals to value of parent dot method. Method 2, if you want to perform the task on child object. Child object name dot method. Same thing. Here logical name, property, value of child here. dot method. That's it. For this, no need of any object repository. So without having any object repository help, we can write. Very important point. Without having any object repository help, we can write the script and we can execute. That is called descriptive programming. So this process we can do it. This process we can do it in descriptive programming. No need of object repository here. Okay. So let's see how to write. Up to now, is it clear, team? Yes? How to write? Now I'm going to explain you. Yes, Satish, no one is giving the answer?
Yes, Vidya.
Fine.
Yes, Vidya.
Fine. Now let's see. Yeah, now I can hear you. Yeah. Now let's say I want to enter, I want to activate, but I don't want to maintain any database object repository information. So here, this is the title. Example, I want to activate the title. This is the parent object. So logical name is what? Dialog. Open bracket. What is the property? Text. Double quotes, text colon equals to. Value is what? Login only. Double quotes close, close the open bracket. Dot. Method is what? Activate. That's it. This is called descriptive programming. Different companies are following different styles. No need to follow all. You can say this is my company's approach. See, next one. Go to Tools, Object Spy. Hand icon, click on agent name. Take this agent name, search it in the values. Here, properties attach a text, it says. Take this agent name, I got here. Search it, is there any agent name of easy word miss? No, I don't have any agent name. Only one agent name. Attach a text. You can remember this one and go to here. Same thing. Dialog login dot winedit. Open bracket. Attach a text colon equals to agent name. Dot set Vidya or something. You can write it. That's it. Very easy method I'm explaining you. For this, you no need to have the object repository. See, one more time. Title. Dialog login. So, dialog text colon equals to login dot activate. Now agent name. WinEdit agent name attaches text agent name. Dialog text colon equals to login dot WinEdit attach text colon equals to agent name dot set Vidya. Password. WinEdit password. Here also attach a text password. There is no other password. So I can take that value only. Text colon equals to login dot WinEdit password. dot set Mercury. Example, I want to click on help button. One more step. I want to click on this help button. So go to tools, objects by hand icon, click on help button. So dialog login, win button help. Take this help and search it here. Text is the help property. Now dialog text colon equals to login dot win button. Again text colon equals to help. It is a button, so click. After clicking on this, you will get this window. You need to click on this OK button. See. Go to tools, objects by hand icon, click on it. See the hierarchy. First to dialog login. First this login, search it here. Simple logic, try to understand it. First to login is text. Okay. Now dialog flight reservation. Take the value of flight reservation and search it here. Here it is also text. Luckily flight reservations text. For OK button, search it. For OK button properties also text. All are text.
The first login, how you are identifying that in that property?
You need to click on that object. See. You need to click like this, it will be changed. Click like this, see. Whenever you are clicking, it is getting changed. This location, you will get the information.
Okay.
See, ABC access 244. Now ABC access 310. Now ABC access 131. Like this, it will change automatically.
Thanks.
Fine. So dialog text colon equals to login dot dialog again, right? Go to tools, objects by. You can search it number of times. So dialog flight reservations. Dialog text colon equals to
Reservation.
flight, yeah, flight reservations. Dot.
There's no colon, I think.
What colon? Yeah, it is given.
Text colon.
Yeah, text colon equals to flight reservations.
Okay.
Then win button. Text colon equals to OK. Dot click.
Okay. Click.
Yeah. After clicking on this, I need to click on this OK button. Tools, objects by hand icon, click OK. So dialog login, win button OK. So already dialog login you know. For OK button, search it. Again it is a text. It's up to the QTP here. We are not deciding. Management has decided all those things. Text colon equals to login dot win button. Again text colon equals to OK. Dot click. That's it. Very quickly it will execute. See, hit the and first thing, go to resource object repository. There is no information. See, I'm closing. Hit the run button. If there is no typo mistakes, it will work. See, very quickly it is executing. Speed is very more. So if you want slowly, I want to see means, yes, you can see. Example, I want to close this window. You can close it. Same steps dear, no change at all. Click on close. Window flight reservation. Take the flight reservation option here. It is also text. 90% text will be given. So not a dialog now. Window. Open bracket. Text colon equals to flight reservation. And close. Cross mark for close. And I am asking QTP to go with slow. You can insert wait statement line by line. Slowly it will execute. See, open the application. Now run it. See, line by line it will execute. That's it. Then it will close the window. If there is no typo mistakes, it will work. For this, no need of any object repository. See, there is there is no object repository. Also, it is working. Even though it is working. So this is called what? This is only known as your descriptive style. Okay, you just practice today what we learned. So tomorrow freshly we are going to discuss about frameworks. It is one generic work. How it is going to use it in detail tomorrow we will discuss. Okay.
Vidya, I have some doubts in yesterday's class.
In doubts in where, dear?
Yesterday's class.
Okay. What is your doubt?
We were studying about start transaction, right? Transaction
Start and
time.
end transaction, yes?
Yeah. In that you said the whole, it is giving for the particular module time. The time, I want the whole application runtime. How can I take that?
From which line to which line you have written the script, na? That script line beginning and ending you need to give. Then only it will give. Beginning line and ending line you need to give. If script is not there, you can't get it.
Can you just show me an example here in this?
In this whole means see here, this is one application. How many lines of script will be generated for this? Entering username, password, clicking on OK button. 4 lines. So, example, this is one whole application I activated and login. So, at the beginning line, go to insert start transaction and login any project name. At the end transaction, from which line to which line you want, first you have to decide, then it will calculate. It can be a whole project or a semi project or a only one module. That is decided by user. I mean to say tester. See, this is one whole project. That this you are deciding. You can't say I'm having one complete project in one location. You tell me the time is, it won't say. You have to show the script lines. It will execute, then it will calculate. Only that script lines only. Total duration of the executional time. Very important point is executional. Got it? That executional time it is calculating. It is not calculating the application timing. It is calculating the executional timing.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine, dear. So, Iram, come to Skype. I will talk to you. Yeah. So, team, today we are ending up the session. Yeah. Fine, dear. So, today what I will do is complete notes I will release with updated class notes. Maybe yesterday I missed it out. I'm not sure about. But now I'm releasing. Please check your emails. QTP complete notes with updated notes. Okay? Okay, team. Thank you so much.
If someone could kindly send me the recording as well.
Yeah. Anyone? Subha, Satish?
I'll send it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Fine. Thank you,
Bye,
dear.
guys.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Vidya. Bye, Vidya.
Bye, dear. Take care. Bye-bye.